perspective and scale, and management and action under high uncertainty. And those 2 points, I think, were reflected well in both Margie's comments and also Beth's. Climate perspective is split into 2 main views, and that includes how does climate change express itself in the landscape, and that's really what we're here today. I've got it on, right? Closer? Okay. How does climate change express itself on the landscape? Through the changes in physical, chemical, ecological, and social processes. And for the Department of Interior, that means on our national parks and our national wildlife refuges. Here in South Central Alaska, examples of those include Kenai Fjords National Park, Kenai National Wildlife Refuge, and the Southeast Alaska Glacier Bay National Park, which may see climate change as we are also talking about today in Chugach National Forest. The interconnected impacts of climate change on such landscapes, for example, I'll just pick warming temperatures. In our part of the world here, ice is an important physical component. It's both from a perspective of glaciers and permafrost, changes in snow and ice melt, glacial retreats, that hopefully Shab will be talking about later, may increase and change the patterns of freshwater flow to streams and coasts, affect nearshore marine systems, and also salmon streams in a variety of ways, as Beth indicated. We know that the currents in the Gulf of Alaska, more than many other coastal systems throughout North America, are driven in large part by the characteristics of freshwater flow to the system. Power increases for a time and then decreases after glaciers have retreated. How is that going to impact fisheries and marine resources? What are such changes and also changes in permafrost degradation, groundwater upwelling, important to salmon spawning in coastal streams? How is that going to alter the fisheries that are important, as Margie indicated?